The DAP143 models are basic two-stage air purifiers that are available in either white or black to match the home's decor. They have an activated carbon pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and a coverage area of 210 square feet with a 145 CADR rating. The units have a 3-speed fan and, with their silencer technology, the noise level is as low as 30 decibels, which is equivalent to a whisper. The DAP290BAW model has a larger 450 square feet coverage area with a 265 CADR delivery and 4 fan speeds. With their air quality sensor, the DAP290BAW unit can automatically control the fan speed based on the quality of the air entering the unit. They also have a sleep mode for less noise and turbo mode for quick cleaning of the air. The units can be purchased directly through their website and are backed by a decent guarantee. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.